So there's a physical marketplace in China that does billions and billions of dollars of business, and almost nobody knows about it. It's called the Yiwu Marketplace. It's a wholesale marketplace over in China. This market is mind-blowingly massive. The market is divided into 5 districts and 75,000 booths with over 400,000 types of products. So a quick story on how this market actually helped me cut costs and find manufacturers. Hopefully it could help you cut costs or find manufacturers in some way. So one time I was sourcing bearings for an e-commerce company here in Utah. They were buying thousands of them a month, and it was costing them, I believe, about $1 per unit. In my trip to Yiwu, this marketplace, I could go to the marketplace, find 3 of the best manufacturers that produce the same bearing, get their contact information, tour their factory, and take a free sample, all within the same day. To sum it up, here's what's so freaking cool about the Yiwu Marketplace. Number 1, I can find manufacturers across virtually every industry. Number 2, I can do low MOQ purchasing for all of the products that I find. So instead of buying thousands, I can instead buy hundreds at virtually the same price. Number 3, I can test the sample quality in person for thousands of these manufacturers. Number 4, if I wanted to, I could even probably drive to tour the facilities and meet those factory owners same day. So for that bearing example, here's what ended up happening. So this company, they were buying thousands of bearings a month at about $1 per unit. So I was able to cut down the cost from $1 per unit to 40 cents per unit, effectively saving them thousands of dollars a month. And we were able to set up super low MOQ and very efficient supply chain. There's actually tons of agents at this Yiwu Marketplace that you can use as boots on the ground. You can also take advantage of it. They also have a website. It's kind of janky. It's really difficult to navigate, but you can still take advantage of this. If you have an opportunity to go there yourself one day, then do it.